Foundation has ever awarded to George. Same Foundation Certificate of Recognition to Kristen L. Valles. Same Foundation Certificate of Commendation to Marcel B. Aquilano. Same Foundation Certificate of Recognition to Julie Oliver. Thank you very much.
Moving on, let us hear the message of Mr. Paul Fajardo for his cooperating teacher.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Principal, good morning sa mga operating teachers, coordinators, and student workers, and to my co-student teacher. Good morning. So, first of all, I want to thank God for this achievement. Hindi dahil sa only life na yan, hindi naman ako na. So, God be all the glory. So, na naman na naman po teachers, gano'n na hindi, like,
enjoy.
Na okay, teacher, mamahalin Ilano. Ayos na okay, teacher. Kaya mabuligon po naman. Hasta tuwan sa day 1, is pagkagad. Para sa pagkagad na limang sa mga kapag kananda. Salamat sa sabayan nila mo. Bawal naman siya sa pagpakilaw. Thank you, Mr. Emilio, Mr. Emilio. Salamat.
Thank you, Mr. Guapo. Next is Miss Sandy Grace Paniban. Sabi ko makatasan na ako, save the best for last ba yan? Hello everyone. To Ma'am Sing. Sing. Ma'am, thank you for accepting us, Ma'am Annabelle, na bilang intern teacher mo. Thank you for guiding us and also teaching us to adapt the word patience. Kaya to be honest, ang observation pa lang medyo narated ako na, hala, bakit nataha ka ng bising? Kaya na ano, the way siya mag-a-approach sa students niya, tapos kalmado, ano yung kaya ang i-share ko sa inyo? Samantalang kaya ako opposite medyo laskan. Laskan pag nasornato, kaya sabi ko, pag-teach na mo, i-adapt mo ba na teaching way mo. Kaya, bisa sa rin kapiligan na ako naging best ko, pero mga na-adapt ang patience na ginasabi. Tapos, thank you for helping us during the preparation for our final demo kasi araw na ako nag-busy ka, nag-topic ka, pero ada ko na akong isang nanalo na kita matuloy. Thank you so much, ma'am. And lastly, thank you for welcoming us. There's no dull moment, never na ako na-feel na we're not belong in your classroom. Kaya thank you so much, ma'am, for never grateful kami. Tapos, alam mo naman pala magpunta ako, kaya was calling ko din na Ma'am Visitacion Fernandez is one of the best people I've ever met. One of the best person. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And now, let's hear another message coming from Miss Anne Sanchez.
Good morning. Hello. Once again, good morning everyone. Lalo na po sa ating mga co-op teachers, ni Ma'am Sayani and Sir. So, my message is for Sir Julie. Sir, thank you po. Maski, hindi ko ikaw na ako na bunutan na po sa pinaka-primero. Itanggap mo ako na ko pinag-ibig mo. Thank you, sir. Thank you din sa paghatag sa mga learning materials kaya sa pag-tutor, pagpapalit sa amon. Thank you, sir. Hindi kami nagastusan. Hindi ko nakilig rin. Thank you po sa mga ako mga PD, thank you man sa tanan. Thank you na naging part mo sa journey PD ko. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Miss Anna May. Another message from Angelica.
Good morning, everyone. Even though wala ko sila na akong cooperating teacher, my message kami. As I stand at this journey of completing my teaching internship, I find myself overwhelmed with a multitude of emotions, which is the gratitude and accomplishment. And this journey wouldn't have been merely as enriching without unwarning support and guidance of our cooperating teacher, Ma'am Christine Gadis. Walking into your classroom on the first day was a nervousness and excitement. You greet us with such a warmth. Over the past 360 hours, you transformed us from supervisor into mentor, a confidant, and most importantly, an inspiration. Your passion for teaching was an idol. The way you managed the classroom, creating space that enhanced curiosity and growth, left a lasting impression. I remember observing your teaching strategy in the lesson. It was a master class, engaging students and marking students happy. Watching you connect with each student on an individual level, catering to their unique needs, solidified my belief in the power of differentiated instruction. However, your influence extended far beyond lesson plans and teaching techniques. You installed in me the importance of patience, adaptability, enhancing a positive classroom environment. There was a moment of self-doubt I felt, but you are there saying, "Laban, kaya niyo yan." It was during these times that you are unwarming belief in my potential that brightens everyone. Your constructivism, deliver with kindness and understanding. Help me or help us learn from mistakes and refine our teaching approaches. Beyond academics, you created a safe space when I could ask questions and celebrate victories, big or small. Your genuine interest in my well-being enhanced an environment of open communication and mentorship. The conversation we had, not just about teaching, but about life in general, will stay with me for a long time. As I embark on my own teaching journey, I will carry a piece of your classroom with me. Your dedication to your student, your innovation spirit, and your non-learning support have shaped me and for my future teaching journey. Thank you, Ma'am, for being more than just a operating teacher. You're being a role model, a cheerleader, and also a friend. I am eternally grateful for your knowledge and encouragement, and also memories I have gained during this unforgettable internship. With the deepest respect and appreciation, Ma'am Angelica and Ma'am Ketchi. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Angelica. And now, for another message given by Ma'am Doreen.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to take the opportunity to heartfelt thanks to our operating teacher, Sir Alice Abada, and to our stakeholders of this institution to develop of our capabilities and skills. To our dearest operating teachers, your patience, wisdom, guidance, encouragement, inspiring aspiring educators to reach their full potential. Your role in shaping the minds of future teachers is truly commendable. Thank you for your unwavering support for us at humihingi po kami ng paumanhin at pag-unawa sa mga bagay na hindi man namin nagawa. Alam po namin na may mga time na pag-uulap kami sa mga oras at mga ginagawa ko, sir. Thank you so much sa mahabang pasensya at pag-unawa sa akin. And once again, thank you so much and good morning.
Thank you, Ate Dora. Now,
Let's hear another message from June Pusi. Very prepared.
So, good morning to all of you. Today is the day of our completion in practice teaching. Before anything else, we would like to express our gratitude to our kind principal, Ma'am Rowena Gadeo, for accepting us here at Coro National High School to gain experience in practice teaching. We also want to thank Sir Junior Hubert for tirelessly providing advice to make our teaching journey successful. And last but not the least, our cooperating teacher, Ma'am Nurlin Marsan. Thank you for guiding us and giving advice on what we should and should not do. Ma'am, thank you for all your efforts and dedication to teach us and help us improve our weaknesses. So, thank you for sa pagpulit mo sa amin lalo sa bago mag-final demo na araw kami na nag-support sa akong pag-imusan IELTS na maging magandaan pinalabasan sa namon final demo. So, maski magagapihan ako yung pagpuli, buli na po si ma'am para maging maayos sa namon output na ipipresent sa final demo. So, thank you very much sa tanan na buling at support sa amon ni Ma'am Lorelei. Once again, thank you and good morning to all.
thank you, Mr. June. The last but not the least natin, si Mr. Janelle Bulalakaw.
For all operating and non-operating teachers and together with their personal teachers, this morning, this message for our operating teachers, Sir George Diraxi, Sir Parapin Saint Alan, from your three pre-service teachers. This short message from your beautiful pre-service teacher saying that, Sir, I want to take this moment to say thank you for being supportive mentor and also for your willingness to share your knowledge with us. I am grateful for your patience, encouragement, and guidance to these challenges in us, and to hold my confidence that I need to become a good spiritual teacher. Once again, thank you for your support and opportunities to work with you. from your pre-service teacher, Ms. Donna Vidano. Please be hand on school. Thank you so much. So this is a message for your unbelievable and supportive, beautiful pre-service teacher saying that, "Hi sir, thank you for being a cooperative teacher. Thank you for your guidance and support throughout this teaching experience. Your mentorship has been invaluable in shaping my growth as an educator." From your pre-service teacher, Ms. Generous Mantala. Please give me a hand. Thank you so much. Then, last but not the least, this message is from your pre-service teacher standing here in front of you, pale, shaking, of hand, nervous, saying that, "Sir George, I am truly thankful for your being supportive mentor for the three of us. Since the first day of our journey until this day of our day, we're proud to have you as our cooperative teachers. May 9, 2024, the best day ever happened in my practice teaching journey. But among all that struggle, you are there. You are there to support us, to help us, to guide, to motivate, and to give us strength to break that wall. Thank you so much, sir, for being kind and compassionate. As your pre-service teachers, we believe forgetting this experience of learning is not in our vocabulary. Thank you so much, Sir George, and God bless all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Janelle. Now, moving on, let us move on to the exciting part or the highlight of the program, the awarding of the certificates for the practice teacher to be given by Sir Judy Oliver.
There is more certificates here. So the first one, allow me to read the content of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Region 5, Schools Division of Masbate Province, Aroroy West District, Puro National High School, Puro Aroroy Masbate. Certificate of Recognition is proudly presented to Annabelle B. San Jose of Aroroy Municipal College in grateful recognition of exceptional dedication, commitment, and efforts in being a judge as the best in instructional materials during the final demonstration teaching held on May 9, 2024 at Puro National High School, Puro Aroroy Masbate. Given this 24th day of May 2024 at Puro National High School, Puro Aroroy Masbate. May I invite Raffini to be lahat na. Lahat na to be part of the congratulatory panel. Another certificate of recognition for being best in instructional materials during the final demonstration teaching to Jonelle B. Arisa. Same content of certificate of recognition as best in instructional materials during the final demonstration teaching to Angelica A. Flores. of Certificate of Recognition is proudly presented to Janelle Bon P. Bolalakaw. Same content of Certificate of Recognition is presented to Lauren M. Mendoza. Same content of Certificate of Recognition as best instructional material during the final demonstration teaching to Dr. E. Medina. And last but not the least, Certificate of Recognition is presented to Anime P. San Jose. Allow me to read a copy of the certificate to copy of the Philippines Department of Education, Region 5, Schools Division of Masbate Province, or West District for National High School for Masbate. Certificate of Recognition is proudly presented to O.L. Camargo in grateful recognition of his exceptional communication commitment and efforts in being a just as the best in lesson delivery during the final demonstration teaching. Signed, Rowena F. Chalveo. Same content of Certificate of Recognition as best in lesson delivery during the final demonstration to Salvi Grace A. Panganiban. Same content of Certificate of Recognition as best in lesson delivery during the final demonstration teaching to Annabelle B. San Jose. Certificate of Recognition is also presented to Annabelle B. San Jose. Allow me to read the content of the Certificate Schools Division of Masbate Province, Aurora West District for National High School, Toro Aurora Masbate. Certificate of Completion is awarded to Annabelle B. San Jose for having satisfactorily completed the required number of hours for teaching internship, 6 units or 360 hours, given is 24th day of May 2024 at Toro National High School for Orange City, signed Rowena F. Chalveo, Principal 1. Same content of Certificate of Completion is hereby awarded to Rostov S. Maxon. Same content of Certificate of Completion is awarded to Janelle Don R. Bolalakaw of Pinali. Same Certificate of Completion is hereby awarded to Paul R. Fajardo. To Janelle P. Arigado. To Elmer B. Paasa. To Tanner E. Medina. To Michelle P. Palencha. Certificate of Completion is awarded to Donabelle F. Danao. Certificate of Completion is awarded to Annabelle B. San Jose. To Jenny Rose C. Masala. To John A. Pusi. certificate of conversion is awarded to Kichi L. Carlos. To Dorel P. Sibilio.
Compare mo picture ko sa picture vlogs. Tama.
To Lorelyn M. Mendoza. To Salvi Grace A. Panganiban.
Ang ganda-ganda ng mga pictures.
To Angelica A. Flores. Thank you very much and congratulations. Ako daw ang mauna na message. Wala. Pinakyaw ko na ini yan. Pakyaw na. Sa aton still no sa aton department head of the TLA department, Ma'am Kat, sa akong mga taurupon, na thank you sa aton vlogger. Thank you very much and thank you very much. Good morning again sa iyo tanan. Ano? Ang akong lang mensahe sa iyo, keep fighting. Keep fighting and strive for the best. Ito yung mga experience ni dagdagan pa po. Keep on reading and continue to strive more for the best. Good luck, congratulations, happy graduation in advance sa akong buhay meeting kay Resto. And fight lang. So, because I feel him, I feel him, kaya binigyan ko siya ng nasabi ko sige, kaya nababatsagan ko, hindi niya nababatsagan, because I was once in her shoes, in his shoes, I mean, na kailangan mo magtrabaho para sa iyong sarili. So, pero keep fighting, Roto, and then meron lang tayong kunting kakaguhin, the attitude towards our work. So, balansiyon ang oras. Isalansan sa maayo ang oras. Because at the end, ikaw man ihapon sa nahan makinaba. So kung natibigar sa maayo man ang magiging kalabasan. So, happy graduation in advance. Congratulations. At masunod, si Ma'am Ruby.
Maganda naman. Okay, good morning everyone. So, again, congratulations to all of you. Happy ako kay natapos nyo sa tama na panahon pagkadi sa tuna sa March 19 up to May 24. So sa nakikita ko sa iyo tanan, porsigido gayud kamo na makatapos. Kag napaka-swerte niyo kay nakakadto kamo sa mga maayo na cooperating pictures. So tanan po ng mga advices, tanan ng mga hatag ninda na sabi nga ni to make it simple, to make it clear ang mga bagay-bagay na sabi nga niya pag-abot sa demo teaching, natulaan niyo talagang mga technique para maging productive, maging maayos, maging friendly kita sa atong mga estudyante. Masingan mga pasaway. So, na-adapt niyo kung paano ang maging pasensyoso, pasensyosa. Masingan si Tom Tika Chorbabels na. So, pay-pay pa rin. Kami rin sabi na, balik-balik ko ang pagiging maswerte niyo. Kung ano kay adik kami niyan sa Puro National High School. So, I hope and I pray na after your graduation, mag-ano gihapon ka mo review for your future. Kay basic na lang kamo tanan. Ayon sa bulang kristal ko, tanan kamo makapasar. Thank you and God bless us all. Mabuhay, lalo na si June.